Recently, I made a tutorial on how to create a simple USB device and Linux driver for it. I have used control transfers to exchange data between the computer and the device. I will drop a link to it somewhere on the screen and in the video description. And as fun as it is just using the native USB capabilities of the microcontroller and operating system, USB allows so much more than simply control transfers. The previous tutorial felt incomplete to me, so I'm adding another short series on how to use interrupt transfers, which are supposed to be faster than the ones I've used before. By the end of the series, I will show a simple example how to effectively transmit an event of, for example, a button being pressed to a Linux driver and from it to a user application written in Python. I will also show how to set up a netlink socket to transmit the events from the kernel to the application. So the example project is super simple. I load a driver, start a Python app, and when I press the button on the device, it will be reflected in the application. The series is split into 3 videos. In the first one, I will show how to change the microcontroller and Linux driver code to start sending interrupt requests. In the second one, I will show how to make this process a little more effective by adding callbacks in the driver. In the third one, I will show an effective way to transmit the events from the driver to user application using a netlink socket. This series, including the code I will be demonstrating, is based on the previous tutorial, so if you haven't seen that one, you may want to take a look. That being said, welcome to the series. I will see you in the next video.